Every day, the body takes in food and liquids. However, not all of these are absorbed by the body. The materials not utilized by the body are eliminated. When wastes are not removed from the body, they can eventually poison the body. That is why your body has the systems that aid in the excretion of these wastes. Excretion is the process by which waste materials are removed from the body. You have learned in the previous lessons that carbon dioxide is excreted by the lungs, while undigested food or feces are excreted through the large intestine and rectum. Excess water and salt are also eliminated through pores in the skin. You will now learn about the system responsible for excreting most of the liquid wastes from the body, the urinary system. The main parts of the urinary system are the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The liquid waste of the body filtered through this system is called urine. Kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs on each side of the body. They are the main organs of the urinary system. The kidneys filter and clean the blood to remove waste substance and ensure that only useful substances stay in the blood that circulates throughout the body. The kidneys remove excess water, salts, urea, and other wastes from the blood. Each kidney has thousands of filters called nephrons that filter the blood about 300 times a day. The blood is carried to the kidneys, which filters excess water and waste from it. Then, the blood goes back to the heart and then to the lungs to receive oxygen. The blood then returns to the heart to be pumped and distributed to the different parts of the body. Ureters. The urine flows out from the kidneys to the urinary bladder through the two ureters. The smooth muscles of the ureters move by peristalsis to move the urine towards the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ where urine is temporarily stored. The muscles of the bladder contracts to push the urine out of the body. Urethra urine is emptied from the bladder and leaves the body through the urethra. The urethra is a tube at the bottom of the bladder. The length of the urethra varies in males and females. The urethra has a sphincter muscle, which serves as a valve-like structure to help regulate the outflow of urine. Regulation of urine production. Hormonal control hormones, like aldosterone and ADH, regulate the amount of water and electrolytes reabsorbed by the kidneys. Blood pressure. Changes in blood pressure affect filtration rates and urine output. Fluid intake. The body adjusts urine production based on the amount of fluid consumed. Common urinary disorders. Kidney stones, solid masses that form in the kidneys and can cause pain and block urine flow. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. Infections that affect the bladder, ureters, or kidneys, often causing burning during urination and frequent urination. Kidney failure. A condition in which the kidneys lose their ability to filter waste products and regulate fluids. Urinary system health, maintaining balance, hydration. Drink plenty of fluids to help flush out waste products. Diet. Eat a healthy diet low in sodium and saturated fats. Regular exercise. Exercise can help improve blood flow to the kidneys. Early detection. Get regular checkups and be aware of any changes in urination patterns.